Idiom, broken reed, a weak, unreliable person. Brown study, a state of deep thought. Bull in the china shop, one who is out of place in our dedicated situation. Burn a hole in the pocket. Spend money quickly. Burn one's finger to get oneself into trouble. Burn the candle at both ends. Go to bed late and get up early. Burn one's boards. Go back on a decision. Burn the midnight oil, laboring, starting at late night. Burning questions. Burning questions, hot issue. Bury the hatchet to end amity, hostility. By fits and starts, irregularly, sporadic. By hook or by crook, by any means or right or wrong. By leaps and bounds, at a rapid pace. Blow hot and cold, support and oppose. Bring home, to convince. Be in one's bonnet, to be crazy about something. Bite one's lips, control one's anger.